Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Jabra Evolve 75E with your MacBook. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earphones for like 20 minutes by using this micro USB port. And next, when you do this, we have to grab our earphones and we are looking for these buttons. So as you can see, we can find 3 buttons right here, and we want to focus on the middle button. We have to click and hold it until you feel a vibration, and also until this indicator turns on and starts blinking blue. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it and take a look for this indicator. Right now it turns green, and right now it is blinking blue. So it means that we successfully put these earphones to the pairing mode, and right now just put them close to your MacBook and smoothly go to the system settings. Right now go for the Bluetooth. It's located on the left side under the Wi-Fi connection. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and from the nearby devices list select your Jabra Evolve 75E. Click on the connect button. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and right now just go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input device. Just be sure that our earphones are selected for the microphone and the output speaker. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.